see the screen? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, it's projected now.
Okay, fine, sure. Now, yesterday, this is where I think we stopped, right? The variations in agile principles.
Yes.
Any questions?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, fine. Now, the next thing is about the Scrum and release management.
Okay.
Now, as part of this module, we'll try to understand some basics. What is a Scrum? What happens in Scrum? What are the various roles that are there in Scrum? What is the responsibility of each role?
Okay.
What is your responsibility here? And we'll understand sprint goals, planning, and there are various ceremonies like stand up, review, retrospective, planning. We'll try to understand each of those things, and maybe by the end of this module, we'll learn about all of those concepts and maybe user stories and sprint planning and velocity, release, burn down, and sprints. Okay, there are a few things that we'll be learning. As part of this module, we'll go as slow as possible, trying to break down things. You might hear a lot of new terms. Wherever you are not comfortable and not getting it, please stop me, okay?
Sure.
In case if I am skipping. Okay, now let's try to understand on the basics. Yes, Scrum process and rules. Now, let me open an Excel. Just give me 1 minute. Just place it here, right next to this. Okay. Now, now uh, as I told, uh, no, we need to focus on three things in Scrum to start off. What are the roles that are there? Scrum roles. What are the artifacts? The red color ones are artifacts. And the events. What are the various events that are there in Scrum? Right?
Okay.
So these are three things we'll try to understand. When it comes to Scrum roles, there are three roles. Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development Team.
Okay.
These are the three roles that are there in Scrum. So I'll just put it like this. Roles, one is Scrum Master, who is Product
Development
Owner,
owner and development team.
Development Team. Yeah, these are the three roles. Now, here, uh, you told you have not heard of a role called Scrum Master, right?
No, I
I'm not
haven't.
wrong.
No, I haven't.
Okay. Now, Scrum Master is a person who will be kind of who will be kind of managing the team without any authority. Like this person will be helping the team to get things done. This person will be helping the product owner, that is you, to get things done. This person, you know, how does he help? By scheduling meetings for us, or whatever the team needs. This role is also called as servant leader role, meaning you are a leader. At the same time, you are a servant for the team members. Whatever the team members need, you should be able to serve that to them.
Okay.
Okay. So this person can be a non-technical person and mostly schedules all the meetings for us. Okay.
Okay.
And what else about Scrum Master? Maybe I'll cover more. upcoming slides, like for example, here it's there, right? So I'll talk more, but at a high level, these are the responsibilities of Scrum Master,
Okay.
right? That's the first role. Second role is product owner. That is you, the product owner. You're the one who will be getting requirements from the customers and conveying it to the development team. You're the one who will be getting requirements from the customers, write it, and then convey it to
So development team.
development team. And you're the one who will be telling the team what has to be done and
Okay.
why are we doing it. Okay. And many of the responsibilities, as I told you, know, in the other slide I'll show you. But requirements come from you, the product owner. Development team only, will be there to consume whatever information that you are giving and to try to develop based on that.
Okay.
So that's the product owner at hand. And then we have the development team. Who is the development team here? Development team includes all the developers and testers who are there for the project. There is no separate role called developer or tester in Agile, so it's all one single development team. It's all one single
Okay.
development team where all the developers are fall into this category. So three roles: Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development team. These are the three roles that are there in Agile, right? So
Okay.
any questions so far?
No, I'm fine.
Fine. Okay. Sure. Next, let's try to understand the events. Events. What does ceremony?
Artifacts was this, right? Artifacts was.
I'll come back to that. Artifacts, deliverables. I'll come back to that. Okay. Sprint. It can be a 2 week sprint. It can be a 3 week sprint. It can be a 4 week sprint. Okay. Okay. Fine. Duration is fine. Then what do we do? We in this fixed time duration during which we plan, execute, and deliver our work in this duration. Be it 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks. Is it confusing or making sense?
Yeah, it's making sense. No.
Okay, fine. Now, assume it's a 2 week sprint. Now, as I was saying, uh, most of the times it is a 2 week sprint that is followed. Okay. Now, assuming it is 2 week sprint, what's the date today? 21st, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. So, assume today we are starting the sprint. So, say if the sprint will be 21st. Running. Okay. If we are starting our sprint on 21st, then if it's a 2 week sprint, when is it ending according to you?
Fourth. No. It will be on third.
4th, actually, right?
The fourth.
Because 21st until 4th.
No. So it will start on 21st. 1 week will be in 27th. Then the next sprint will start on 28th. Yeah, it will be fourth.
4th, yeah. It's a 2 week sprint. Yeah,
Yeah.
4th. It ends on 4th. So first day of the 21st, first day of the sprint is 21st June. Last day is 4th of June. So for this time duration, 2 weeks, we plan the work. We as a team plan the work. We as a team, we execute or execute that plan in this 2 weeks. Right? Making sense of our what is sprint? Okay. First day of the sprint, last day of the sprint. Now let's come back to this. I'll talk about backlog refinement later. Sprint planning. Sprint planning is a ceremony or event where we plan the work, where we plan the work that needs to be done in these 2 weeks. So ideally, where should we plan it? That should be the first thing that you do on the first day of the sprint. Right? On 21st June, if you're starting the sprint on 21st June, you have to do this planning meeting on the 21st June, first thing in the morning.
Okay.
And textbook says the planning session should be of 4 hours for a
Okay.
2 week sprint.
Okay.
You, so this is what textbook says. But in reality, actually, team might do maximum of 2 hours, not more than that. Okay. In reality, that's what it is. But as per textbook, for 2 week sprint, you know, the we can spend 4 hours in planning. For a 3 week sprint, we can spend 6 hours. For a 4 week sprint,
Every
eight
week,
hours.
2 hours, right?
Sorry, yeah,
Every week, 2 hours, right? For every.
3 weeks. Every week 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it is. Okay. So for a 2 week sprint, we should have 4 hours planning meeting. Okay.
Okay.
What happens in planning meeting? All this, I'll discuss in detail later. But just keep in mind, we are planning the work for each team member in the team here in this planning meeting. First day, first thing in the morning, we'll plan the work for everyone and the team for the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay. All these things would be driven by the Scrum Master. But of course, you have to be there. You should be part of the planning meeting.
Okay.
Okay. You should be part of the planning meeting.